So let me tell you guys something real quick. Your body, mind, and relationships all need regular maintenance, just like your cars. Hey, hi, how's it going, everybody? Dr. Goat here once again with another Car Talks. So guys, this is kind of crazy. I mean, I guess I am looking for the lesson in everything anymore. Literally everything that I do, everything that happens, I've been looking for the lesson in it. And today, I was working on my car and not thinking anything about it, but just randomly, it tied it into life. My thought was, with your vehicles, you're doing regular maintenance on it. You change your oil, you'll change your air filter every now and then, make sure you got oil, make sure you got coolant, windshield washer fluid, make sure you got air in your tires. All these little things, you are maintaining your cars. If you look at that with life, you should be regularly checking in on your mental health, how you're feeling emotionally, literally just your body. If you got aches and whatnot going on, you should be checking in on that. Along with relationships, when you're with someone, when you're dating, when you're married, whatever, you should be checking in with them. You should be looking at it in whatever way that you can to see, is everything going smoothly, or do we have issues here that we need to work on? So, that being said, you hear my squeaky clutch? That is actually the initial reason that I brought the car into the shop today, was to look at that and hopefully get that figured out. Well, after having it in the shop, looking at everything that I can think of to look at with it, I cannot figure out what's going on with it. So, that being said, I've decided I'm going to take it to a professional, someone that knows what they're doing, let them look at it, let them diagnose it, and let them fix it. That helped me tie that into life as well, thinking about that. I was like, wow, with, mental struggles that you may be having, or struggles in relationships that you can't figure out together, necessarily what the issue is or how to go about fixing that, go to a professional, such as a therapist. I would say with your body, if you got something, an ache going on, or say even if you broke a bone, you shouldn't be fixing that on your own. You should be going to a professional, like a doctor. Go to a doctor, get the bones lined back up the way they should be, get a cast on it, even if it's something you don't know what it is, go to the doctors, let them do some tests, whatever they got to do on it to diagnose it, and then from there they can help you to take care of it. So yeah, I went from looking at the clutch, couldn't figure that out. While I was at it, I was like, I should probably check the oil. Knew it had been a while since I changed it. Well, I was low on oil. I know that it probably needed to be time to change the oil, and this car, it doesn't pop up a little sign saying, hey, time to change the oil. Kind of like your body doesn't necessarily always pop up a light to indicate, hey, you need to get this checked out. But so every now and then, just gotta take a little look at it and work on things. You gotta take the time to care for yourself, like I say, in all aspects, whether that's mentally, emotionally, physically. You gotta be willing to take a look at things and make adjustments and work on them as needed. And I know, at least for me personally, I know I've definitely done it to where I know that there's issues going on with myself, and I'll just kind of let them go. And basically, same as what would happen with a car. If you just let an issue go, it's just going to progress. It's going to get worse. And eventually, things are going to break down. They're, going to get to the point where they truly break. And you need to definitely then get a professional in there to help with it. So, I guess I didn't have a whole lot to say on all that besides that, treat your body and your mind and your relationships like you would treat a car that you really love, I should say. Take the time to go and look things over, make sure everything's running smoothly, because you don't want to end up stranded, broke down at a terrible time on the side of the road, and at that point just begging for help, looking for help. Keep up on yourself, keep up on your relationships, keep up on your vehicles. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, if it helped you at all, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know, what you've been working on fixing and taking care of. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.